Hey guys, I will show you how to uninstall the applications or software forcefully on Windows system. In the first step, simply go to control panel and click it to open it. Click on uninstall a program. On this window you can uninstall the program. Simply right click here, select uninstall, and there is another way. Right click on the start icon, go to settings. Now click on these three lines, go to apps, then install apps, and here you need to find out the applications which you want to uninstall. Then click on these three lines and click on uninstall. But if you want to uninstall the application forcefully, what you have to do, you need to open File Explorer. Simply go to this PC, open C drive, then go to program files, and from here we need to find out the applications which you want to uninstall. So I just wanted to uninstall Google Chrome, so I will just go to the program file, and I will find out the Google Chrome, and simply I will delete all the files from it. So if you want to see, I just show you Discord. So select it, go to its file location, then I will simply delete all the files from the Discord, and then we will go to control panel and we will uninstall the Discord from here. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video, please do subscribe the channel.